grimy, bitch. You say them bad, tell them try me. Y'all say them bad, no sign, lighty. Rifle about SK, Chinese.
I'm back again, guys. You don't know. From hear the voice, you know the HINESBOSS. Fresh and cool. Come here, going to CESSPOOL. I would them, man. Viewer subscriber. You don't know already, you know. A long time I thought about it, but guess what go on? Me there again. Live and direct. You know what I mean? You don't know. Like a personal thing. I have to up on a key, I go and worry over this. But guess what go on? Me out here right now. I'm going to start off the return with a girl song right now. Me not lie. HONEY MIlAN. Yeah, that girl is bad. And she are the choppa girl. As what she say. I'm not lie. The girl about to drop a song when name Grimy. And as you can see in the first part of the video a while ago, me give you a snippet. One little piece of what she had deal with. Yeah, I'm not lie. I'm not lie if you are a subscriber. She bad. You see the little Skillibeng stunt that she pull off over there? The kind of lyrics and the flow what she have, she don't need no stunt to make it work. All she need to do, I put out more of them lyrics here. Yeah, she have a song for drop with title Grimy. To be honest, I'm not sure when this song go drop, but guess what go on? The little piece of the freestyle what she release, title Grimy, I'm not lie. Everything about it bad. When I tell me, I wonder, say, yo, if she send the order for the plane, will crash up so. But Skilly sing about, me no know, but me not lie. She got him for true. And be a subscriber, me I go make her hear it. I'm want to tell me one thing about it. Make me roll my intro first.
Want to subscribe me?
You want them what?
Them get that drink, yeah. Yeah, I want to subscribe me. For the human too. Tune in for the human too.
Where name for human too?
I mean,
I think TV. Fresh and cool. I'm playing a CESSPOOL. I would them. Watch you know? The HINESBOSS. You know me. Cool, yo.
Grimy, bitch. You say them bad, tell them try me. Y'all say them bad, no sign, lighty. Rifle about SK, Chinese. Chip Glock, a 6-sweet Taurus, Riley. Real choppa girl, them beside me. Clap couple shots, keep me ends lively. Them brush me, call me rich, choppa pussy tiny. Grimy.
A subscriber. Make me know now. See me play a piece going there. Wanna think about it. Hold on there. Make me tell you my few cents. I think about this right now. You see HONEY MIlAN, the choppa girl, she bad. I'm gonna be honest right now. She grimy. I'm gonna be honest again. She grimy than enough of them male artists who say them a sing. Mother say hardcore song, hardcore dancehall trap music. You know what I mean? Them kind of lyrics from a lady. And she just a flow it so easy. You know what I mean? And I more than one thing to sing. We prove to me say yo, she have lyrics, she have style. And right now, this are just one more of them lyrics there again. If you say one more of them song there, where you prove to me say yo, she worthy. People have dancehall. When you give her the space, make she do what she have to do. Because I'm not lie. She so like she can be one of them next people there in the industry. Or we are going to say, yeah. Bad. Because I'm not lie. I love them lyrics here. I love the grimy style. I like the lyrics them. I love how she a flow up on the rhythm. Yeah, man. You know what I mean? She a watching her, man. If you are a subscriber, the lady say, yo, grimy. You know what I mean? She a clap couple and make the end get lively. I want to you. Or you play so silent. No music now play, no car now pass. I want go on. Alright, watch her go on. Give me the SK. Yeah, man. Me clap couple. Cause I placed. Watch her now, man. If you a subscriber, as me said before, I'm going to say this too. Additional to what I said before. Not because she linked with Skilly. I'm going to say she bad. The little lyrics a while ago prove to me say, yo, she have style. She have something. She have a thing within her. From the first song me hear, until this one. Choppa gyal, I'm listening some few other one where you know, remember saying I never know her, you know. But now I start get in tune to her. I think I'm gonna listen to them and I say, she have a thing I go on. So watch her go on now. She have go drop the Grammy one. And me out here wait. Me anticipate it cause guess what go on. Me like that look of freestyle preview that she give it. So guess what go on now? Me there wait like everybody else. So viewer subscriber, in the comment section right now, make me know what you think about it. How much you grade it out of 10? That little piece there, our 30 seconds. Make me know what you think about her. And you feel say yo, I skill again the lyrics there. I should just have it within. I nah lie. I feel like she have it within her still. But on the up it, on the outside there, you know. I know, you know, on the support of them, you know. Make me know what you think. Yeah, man. At the HINESBOSS, at the HINESBOSS TV. If for the first time you tune into the channel, doors always open. Subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, say. And over there, so you can hear the good things, them. Over there, so we talk about the bad artists, them. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. The door is always open. So guess what, go on. Leave a comment, like and share. As me said before, if for the first time, subscribe. I'm out.
Tiny, grimy, bitch. You say them bad, tell them try me. Y'all say them bad, no sign, lie.